Hi everyone, today I'll be sharing my nighttime skincare routine with all natural products. You really need a good pampering session for your skin after a long tiring day. The products I'm using for my nighttime skincare routine are from the beauty store by Big Basket. So the first thing I do for my nighttime skincare routine after removing my makeup is to cleanse my face. And for that, I use my Organic Harvest Damage Control Cleanser. It's the same cleanser I use for my morning skincare routine. It comes with a unique integrated cleansing brush with ultra soft and flexible bristles. The stroking movements of the massager not only deeply exfoliates but also helps in softening the skin. This face wash is rich in antioxidants, imparts radiant results, and keeps the impurities away. Next step is to tone my skin to balance out the pH level of my skin. And as for toner, I use Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water Face and Body Mist. It's 100% natural. Rose water is a natural astringent. It balances and restores skin's pH level and helps tighten pores. The next step after toning my skin is a serum, and for serum I use Natural Vibes Teae Skincare Ayurvedic Facial Serum. This serum is extremely good for reducing acne, blemishes, dark spots and lightening skin tone. It's a really lightweight serum which makes it perfect for acne prone skin and oily skin. I just apply a thin layer of this serum onto my skin and I tap my skin just like a piano just to it get absorbed into my skin really nicely. Treating your under eye area is a very important nighttime skincare step, and for that I use Plum 8 Specialist Bright Under Eye Recovery Gel. Powerhouse actives from daisy and hawkweed are proven to reduce dark circles. Natural hyaluronic acid, plant polypeptides, and plants themselves help keep tender skin around the eye bright, supple, even toned, and younger looking. All I do is I just take some of the cream onto my fingers and I just massage it in circular motion around my eyes, and I just relax while using this eye cream. After that, for all night moisture, I use Plum Grapeseed and Buckthorn Nurturance night cream, which is quite thick in texture. As you can see, I apply this cream in circular motion and in an upward direction and massage it really well until it get absorbs completely into my skin. I also apply this to my neck as well in an upward motion. It prevents dryness from causing new creases, while grapeseed and sea buckthorn oil nourish, heal and repair skin. Lastly, I'll give some moisture to my lips as well, and for that I use Organic Harvest Happy Lips High Gloss Lip Balm in green tea, and it helps to keep my lips hydrated for the whole night long. So that was my quick and simple nighttime skincare routine using all natural products, and I got all my products from the beauty store by Big Basket. You can also get all these products from there at your doorstep using the links below. Hope you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, bye bye.